Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying essentials: probe mass, battery charge, antenna range, and available thrust. Attach the probe to a decoupler or probe core now and secure with clamps or struts to prevent wobble at liftoff. Once attached, set staging so the probe separates cleanly, enable RCS and SAS if available, and assign control to the probe's core. This gets you airborne and ready to execute deployment maneuvers without wasting time on trial and error adjustments. Once in orbit, focus on precision. Circularize at your target apopsis and periapsis so the probe's instruments have stable conditions. Deploy antenna and activate experiments. Choose transmit immediately if you have range, otherwise store data to save power. Make transfer burns with maneuver nodes or use the autopilot to set intercepts. This reduces wasted fuel and increases success probability. Keep watch on thermal and battery levels while executing burns, so the probe. You finish by performing the final approach burn, position the probe for separation or descent, and decouple when safe. If landing, bleed off speed with retro burns and deploy landing gear or parachutes. After task completion, confirm data transfer to mission control or a relay, jettison expendables to reduce mass, and power down non-essential systems to conserve charge. If the probe loses contact, reorient the antenna toward a relay, cycle power, and retry transmission. This single troubleshooting step fixes most communication failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.